This video explains how to buy shares of CPI Property Group SA using the search phrase, how to buy shares of CPI Property Group SA. CPI Property Group SA is a commercial real estate company listed on Xetra. The ticker symbol is O5G.DE. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document. You will also need to add funds before you can place a trade. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker O5G.DE to find the listing. Select the matching CPI Property Group SA result to ensure you have the correct stock on Xetra. On the asset page, check the basic company information and verify the exchange is Xetra. Review the price chart to see recent movement and confirm this is the CPI Property Group SA share you intended to buy. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you wish to invest, and review the order details. Confirm the order only after checking fees and order type. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be completed. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the registration link is available in the description below.